Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back again with our Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, it is powered by, or the support app is the Zordeye application available in Android and iOS. Okay, if you are a subscriber, I'm pretty sure you've seen the video, our tutorial video in pairing the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch with a Zordeye application. So we are done with the pairing, and so far it has a stable connection. Okay, we do have an good experience and easy to follow steps in pairing your smartwatch with the Zordeye support app. So this time we are going to check on the watch faces available for the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's check on the different watch faces available for our Z8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so here in the smartwatch we already have several preloaded watch faces. As you can see here, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At least 8 watch faces is available in our smartwatch. Okay, so if you're going to go to the settings, okay, so we have here the dial switch. Okay, so you can choose and lock it if you like. Okay, if you want the watch face. Okay, going back again. So we have an option for the watch faces here, as you can see. Okay, and of course the smartwatch also support the, what do you call this one, the always on, not the always on, but the bedside lamp mode. Okay, if you will charge the smartwatch, it will switch to the bedside lamp mode. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, so here is the bedside lamp mode for the smartwatch. Okay, let's see, let's remove it first. Let's see if we do have a different settings. Oh no, it's only portrait, I think, as you can see here, but still it supports the bedside lamp mode. Okay, so let's just remove the charging cable and it will switch back to your regular watch face after a few seconds. Okay, here in the watch face section, okay, so let's open the application. Okay, so are we connected? Let's see. So we are connected to the app. We have here the My Watch Face section here. So change the dial to change the mood. Each dial represents a different mood. Go and try it. So tap on it. Okay, let's see. So obviously this one is a custom watch face. So we have several watch faces here. Do have a Christmas theme watch faces. Okay, what else do we have here? Digital watch faces. Okay, mostly, or most of the watch faces here are in digital category. Okay, as you can see. But anyway, it's still beautiful design watch faces here. Do we have a category here on top? No. Okay, don't have. But we also have some analog watch faces here, as you can see. Okay, so this one, this one, this one. Okay, we also have a lot of analog type watch faces. And we do have a very comprehensive list of watch faces here. Okay, I like it. Okay, we have a lot of options here. Okay, let's go. We are going to try this one later on. Okay, I like this one. Oh, it's impressive. We have, I guess we do have a more than 50 or 100 watch faces here. Okay, so let's check. Let's try to install the watch face for our Z8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, let's pick this one. You see this? Tap on it. Should it be replaced with this dial? Okay, just okay. So upgrade prompt updating. After pushing the dial, the watch will restart after a short time. Please be patient during upgrade. So 0% here. So let's see if we can download right away. Okay, now it's starting. We do have a progress bar. So okay, seems like it's very fast. And let's see, the smartwatch already restarted. Okay, and we have our watch face. Okay, it's a beautiful looking watch face. I like it. I like the design of this one. Okay, so very easy installation of a watch face for our Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch, and it is a very comprehensive list of watch faces here for this wearable. Okay, although it's not categorized, but still an impressive list of watch faces. We also have a custom watch face here, so let's see. Okay, let's change it first. Okay, let's replace this one. Okay, tap on. So we are going to use the custom watch face here. Tap on it. Then, so we have an option from camera or album. Okay, tap. Let's pick album. Allow Zordeye to take pictures and record video. Okay, so let's try. We have some images here. Recent images, screenshots. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so this is our watch face. Okay, check. Okay, so we have a preview here of our watch face. So there's no option here. Okay, let's see if there's an option to adjust the time. Nope, there's no option, as well as the font. Okay, just plain custom watch face with your own background. So tap on start upgrade. Upgrade prompt updating. So let's see. So it's now pushing the watch face, okay, to our smartwatch. Okay, let's see. Okay, very fast downloading here, as you can see. 100%. And we are okay, or we have successfully downloaded, I think. Okay, we have it here, our custom watch face. Okay, so let's see how many watch face do we have here. Okay, so it did not replace this one. Okay, instead it replaced the first watch face that we installed. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so you can only install at this one watch face here. Okay, I hope they change this setup. Okay, let's go back to the first watch face that we installed. Okay, I guess that is much better when it comes to the design. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Okay, so it will just replace, I think, our custom watch face. Okay, so let's see. So far, we did not encounter any issues with the installation of or downloading of the watch face. Even in the custom watch face, there's no issues. Okay, it is just lacking some options in the custom watch face, but so far we have a comprehensive list of watch faces here, from digital to analog watch faces. Okay, so that's it. Easy installation of the and downloading of watch face for our Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video tutorial, especially in the Zordeye support app, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.